So this commercial lot available to for bidding. Total lot area is 4,500 square meters. And meron siyang tatlong improvements. So dati siyang gas station. Indicative or asking price for this property is around 340 million. So ano sa tingin nyo? Is it expensive? Masyado bang mahal? Well, best offer price tayo dito. Just submit your best offer price. And all offers or bids are subject for management approval. Location po natin is along Greenfield Parkway Road. Dito po to sa may Barangay Malitlit, Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Malapit siya sa Eaton Exit and Eaton Square, Paseo de Santa Rosa, Greenfield, and New Valley. So if you are interested to make an offer or bid, just message us directly. This is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance, in-house and bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you're interested to make an offer, please message us directly. Commercial property dating, yun na nga, dati siyang gasolinahan. So pag naglalagay kayo ng negosyo, ng business dito, ganun din, commercial din talaga yung pwedeng ilagay dito. Ang frontage nitong property is around 73 meters. And then yung depth niya, yung isang side is 71, around 71 meters. And yung other side is around 56 meters. And then yung rear niya is, yung likod niya nasa around 65 meters. So meron tayong ano dito, parang caretaker lookout, security guard, nagbabantay ng property. Ayan. So malaki siya, 4,500. Pwede siyang tayuan ng building or ng hotel dito sa may Santa Rosa, New Valley area. Okay. Very prime location to kasi nga malapit siya sa commercial areas or establishments ng Santa Rosa like New Valley, Paseo, and Eaton Square. Again, if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly.
Juju. And so ultimately, she just made a decision not to come. She's like, guys, hindi ko sasama kasi ganito. And then she explained to us. And then, you know, she told us everything. Pero, siguro nga, parang huwag ka na sumama. Nakamadamay pa ka.
When you do, like, postpone or cancel, parang wala namang proof na tama ka. Kasi nga, if you avoided it, then you'll never know.
Exactly.
So
kami, wala namang kami nakitang signs.
Just in your head.
So we just went on. Right. Because when something happened to me, like we went to Singapore, Universal Studios Singapore, a couple weeks ago. Tapos yung
Afloat kayo or something, tapos may pagdating nyo, yung resort naman, binigyo, so dito sa yes, but why is there seems to be like a new block in the road to this trip? Bakit na parang like,
Batangas here, it's very final destination.
yes,
Parang all the signs are there.
Yes.
And you're like, okay,
kasi ako pag ganyan talaga, like, there were a couple of times na parang, ano ba yan? Siguro mga three times na, sabi ko, alam mo, let's not go. Kasi I get scared.
you really listen to it.
I really do.
Signs.
Kasi parang like, parang yung, obviously pag yung, ay, na, ano tayo na, yung gusto natin na resort for let's try another one. We are thanking Mike Ferrer. Thank you so much. The reigning champion and sending topics for the top 10. Thank you, Mike. Today we are doing the top 10 hashtag